Yes, so this is the Enyiọha Super Tournament, soccer tournament, live and direct in Nekede, Owerri West local government area. And this is in honor of late Nze TCK Amadi, the Enyiọha one of Nekede, and Lady Lolo Chizọmam Aida Amadi, Lolo Enyiọha Nekede, Owerri West local government area, Imo State. And then the two teams are here today for the kickoff. The two teams are here for the kickoff. And what team is this, please? Rocket FC. So this is presented by Amadi Foundation, We4We Foundation, and highly sponsored by the Chizọmam Foundation, the Chizọmam Real Estate Company, and powered by its CEO, Fortune Chituru Amadi Obe. Chituru, where are you? This is very important. This is Fortune Chituru Obe Amadi, the CEO of Chizọmam Real Estate Company. He's doing great. We're happy to see you today.
Thank you very much.
Amazing. Yes, please, we have a veteran in our midst today. Guys, make gonna pay attention. This is very important. Please. You see, this soccer, where is Divine? This soccer that we're playing today, is very important. I want to introduce you guys to a veteran soccer player. The tournament that we're having today, these were the originators, people that started this back in the day. This is Engineer Jolly Njoku. I want you guys to give him a round of applause. And he gave us a big surprise. We're about to do the kickoff today. And we are doing this, and we're honoring our brother here, Engineer Jolly Njoku. He's going to do the kickoff on behalf of everybody here today. And we have Chituru. So right here, so we have Chizọmam Real Estate Company, #1 in the world, #1 real estate in the world. So we're happy to have you here, and we're happy to have Ndajoli and Bush. So, Pico, Ndajoli, I got Bafulani balls on behalf of all the veterans. Yeah, we're right here.
Who are the captains?
Who are the captains here? Guys!
Anyway, I have a brief advice.
Yes.
This tournament, don't look at it as later. And take it really here. I had an opportunity to go somewhere. But because of carelessness, I missed it. And I would like this when you have that opportunity. Right? So we should support yourself. Play. So I wish you well.